Pete the Cat, The Wheels on the Bus. This book was illustrated by James Dean. It's kind of written by James Dean too, but mostly this book is a song that you should be very familiar with. So we are going to read along together, sing the song together, and I am going to be joined by some very special friends who are going to help us. Here we go. Pete, can Pete drive a bus? I don't know if he can, except he has a driver's license. It says Pete the Cat, 123 Catalina Parkway, Cat City, USA. His height is 1 foot 6 inches. His weight is 12 pounds. His birth date is 1999. Wow, Pete's older than I thought. His fur color is blue. He's able to drive the class of big trucks, and his restrictions are none. This kitty is ready to drive. The wheels on the bus go round and round. Round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round. All day long. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. All day long. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. All day long. The signals on the bus go blink, blink, blink. Blink, blink, blink. Blink, blink, blink. The signals on the bus go blink, blink, blink. All day long. The motor on the bus goes zoom, zoom, zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom. The motor on the bus goes zoom, zoom, zoom. All day long. The door on the bus goes open and shut. Open and shut. Open and shut. The door on the bus goes open and shut. All day long. The kiddies on the bus say, "Come on, Pete." Come on, Pete. Come on, Pete. The kiddies on the bus say, "Come on, Pete." All day long. The driver on the bus says, "Move on back." Move on back. Move on back. The driver on the bus says, "Move on back." All day long. Pete's friends on the bus say, "Sit with us." Sit with us. Sit with us. Pete's friends on the bus say, "Sit with us." All day long. The back of the bus bumps up and down. Up and down. Up and down. The back of the bus bumps up and down. All day long. The kiddies on the bus go, "Pete the Cat." Pete the Cat. Pete the Cat. The kiddies on the bus go, "Pete the Cat." All day long. The dog on the bus goes woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. The dog on the bus goes woof, woof, woof. All day long. The cats on the bus shout, "Let's rock out." Let's rock out. Let's rock out. The cats on the bus shout, "Let's rock out." All day long. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all day long. All day long. That book was so much fun. Thank you so much for reading and singing with us. I love Pete and I love all of his fun adventures. And this was an extra fun adventure because we got to sing together. And I had some extra help from my good friends in Miss LaHood's class. They were able to read and sing along with us. And that made it so much more fun for me. And I hope it made it so much more fun for you. So thanks, Miss LaHood's class, for joining us. And Miss LaHood's class says, Miss LaHood's class says, thanks for watching. If you love this book and want a copy of your very own, you can get one at the link below. If you had fun reading along with me, please like this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out all the other videos where I read books aloud just for you. I hope I'll see you guys soon and you'll come back and read with me again next time. Bye!